land acquisition. Directly take over the land acquisition bill. Good morning.
Sir, good morning.
Sir, just one. Budget of the how do you expect this time session?
It's going to be a good budget, a balanced budget, people-friendly budget, thinking of the Goan people. I think the most important thing which is going to happen in this session is going to be the tabling of that bill, wherein land is going to be prohibited to be sold other than the local people, that is the field land and all, which is being cultivated. This is the singular most important and very path-breaking decision which this cabinet has taken, which will be passed in this session.
Do you feel opposition should also come in support because it's a good bill?
Everything else they criticize, this path-breaking decision and something which is good for Goa. They should have complimented the government. They should have said something in favor, no? Which shows that opposition is for sake of opposition. They criticize for sake of criticizing.
अनेक बिला म्हणतात land automatically जायला require करपाचे पडते.
That is as far as government projects are concerned. That is required for the all-round and fast development of the state.
Sir, finally, थोड्याच धाकटे देखून प्लॉट असतात डायरेक्टली तसं गेले जाल्यार तांकां कितें म्हणतात?
They see, it is not it is a government with a heart. It is not with the human face is always there. It will be looking at projects which are beneficial to the people of Goa. कोणाचो plot काढपाक जाय
Sir,